Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you have created a Facebook group and now you want to upload a video in your Facebook group, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can add or upload a video in your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups. And in the top menu, click on your groups and scroll down, and here your all groups will appear. Now select the group in which you want to upload a video. I want to upload a video in the first group, so click on it and now click on write something. Here you can see an option photo or video. If you want to upload a photo or video, then click on it. For example, I want to upload this video. I select this and click on next. And here it will ask you to write the description of this video. If you want to write description, then write here. Otherwise, click on post. So now you can see our post has been creating. It takes some time. So guys, now you can see we have successfully uploaded a video in the Facebook group. So guys, in this way you can upload a video in Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.